I used to be a really big strawberry sando hater because I couldn't understand why you would go all the way to Japan just to talk about strawberries on a piece of white bread. I just came back from Japan and I'm talking about it changed my life because I went from being a hater to this being the first thing I wanted to remake back home. The biggest difference though is I've seen most other creators use white sugar, but I'm using condensed milk because look, that yellow cream is not sugar, it's sweetened condensed milk. So I recreated the recipe using sweetened condensed milk and it was so good. The sandos are also made from Japanese milk bread, so it's a lot softer and a tiny bit sweeter than just plain old white bread. So if you want to make a Japanese strawberry sando that'll change your life, I wrote the full recipe on my blog.